Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Deathloop on the PS5. So yeah, I picked this up on Black Friday for £30, which, you know, I was happy to pay for. You know, it's PS5 exclusive and that for at least a year. So yeah, I was happy to play that. So pay it. So yeah. So I don't really know much about this game, to be honest. So yeah, it's the front. There's the side, and there's the back. Break the time loop. 24 hours, 8 targets, 1 rival assassin. And this is all that there. So yeah, in-store size is 32 gig minimum. So inside we have the disc, and we have some paperwork. So I think that's kind of like game controls and stuff. Yeah. Nothing on the back. Thing about Doom Eternal Deluxe Edition and Ghostwire Tokyo. And then some background art behind the disc. So yeah, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go off and install this onto the PS5 and play it. But yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Deathloop on the PS5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.